Hello! This video is going to show you how to get files from your device onto your computer and into Movie Maker. The first thing that we're going to do is plug in our device via USB, and if it's an Apple device, iTunes will pop up. Ignore it. You don't have to do anything there. We're looking for this window that says Autoplay, and we're going to choose the first selection, Import Pictures and Videos using Windows. Once you do that, it'll automatically begin transferring photo and video from your device onto your computer. When that's done, a new window will pop up that has all of the videos that come from your device. Go ahead and select the ones you want to use for this particular project and put it on your desktop. Any ones that you do not want to use, you can go ahead and highlight and send to the trash and delete them. They will not be deleted from your device. Next, we're going to open up Movie Maker. In the search box, simply type in Movie Maker. Once Movie Maker pops up, you'll see on the right-hand side, there's a big empty box that says click here to browse for videos and photos. Go ahead and click there. When the Windows box opens up, make sure you go to the desktop on the left-hand side, because that's where we saved our video to, and click Open. Now you have gotten your video from your device onto your computer. Let's take a look at this video. You can see here I have a nice collection of ferns, but I really don't like that first one. So I'm going to go to the top and choose the trim tool. Now that I have the trim tool, I'm going to use my mouse to slide through the video that I do have. And you can see there's that ugly first fern. So I'm going to figure out how to start with my second fern, and look right there. That's where my second fern starts. So I'm going to choose this slider that is on the edge, the large vertical one, and that is going to represent the new beginning of my clip. If I go to the right, this is going to signify the end of my clip. And so now I'm just going from fern to fern without the ugly first one. And this clip, it says, is only about a 3-second clip, which might not be enough. So I'm going to back it up just a little bit on both ends. And let's see, right there. Yeah, there we go. I've got from the second fern, the first fern I like, all the way to the wall now. Okay, I like it. So I'm going to hit Save Trim, and that is my new completed clip. Now, there's other parts of this clip that I want to include in this video, so I'm going to need to import my original video again. And this is the second way that you can get video from your device onto your computer. And you see there, I just go to my file drop-down menu, I click Import from Device, I choose to review organize my items, and then here I only have one video on this device, so that makes it pretty easy. It opens up in a new window. I simply click it and drag it over into my media browser in Movie Maker, and I have a whole new clip to play with. Now that I think about it, I didn't like the trims I made on my other one, so I'm going to right click and I'm going to remove this clip completely. I just want to start from the beginning again. And this time, I think I'm going to use the split tool. Now the split tool is different than the trim tool because the split tool just cuts the video in half. So here you can see second fern, and I'm going to hit the split. Now I have two clips. Great. I'm going to go back to the wall, but not to the desk. And now hit split. Now I have 3 clips. Now I can right click on the clips that I don't want anymore and remove them. Now if I decide later that actually I just want the whole clip, I did all this for nothing, I can go ahead and hit Control Z, and that will undo the last thing that I did. And then I can hit Control Z again, and then if I hit it again and again, it undoes all of the splits that I've done and restores it to the whole clip. Now, to get this file from Movie Maker back onto my computer as a usable file, I don't want to go to Publish Movie, because if I go to Publish Movie, it's going to take it and I'm going to put it somewhere online. So we're going to go to Save Movie, And then we're going to go all the way to the bottom and create a custom setting. In the width box, we are going to put 640. And in the height box, we're going to put 480. This is standard, what's called VGA resolution. None of that's really important. It just means it's not going to take up a whole bunch of space on your computer. We're going to call this format our teaching format, and then we're going to hit save. And just save through all of this. Now we're going to close this window. We're going to go back to our file drop-down menu, choose save movie, and this time we're going to pick our teaching setting that we just created. Remember, we're going to always save to desktop. That's just the easiest thing to do. And we're going to title our movie something memorable. Here I'm calling it teaching movie. And then it's automatically going to export. Once the video has exported, you're going to get a couple of options to play the video or open the folder or close, Just close it all. And let's just go to the source. That's why we keep it on the desktop, so that's very easy to go to. We can always rearrange this later. And then open it up from the desktop and give our video a whirl. Now it looks like everything is in order. I really wish I'd have stuck with getting rid of that first fern. But besides that, everything is good to go, 100% tested, and we're ready to upload to IU Box. Wonderful.